Hey guys, Tony here. Actually, is this recording? Sound? Oh yeah, we got the sound on. Just wanted to update you guys on GameStop. We did rally pretty hard today, from basically an open of what like under 260 up until peaks of, I think 288 was the peak today. 288.30, yeah. So as you guys know, I was accumulating a while back. Currently, my position right now is around $17,000. The gain is about 50% or 6,000 bucks. Still not selling. I was actually looking at the charts for GameStop, I think earlier this week, or actually, yes, no, today, yeah, today or yesterday. What's today? Monday? Today's Monday, or yesterday, and and I saw the chart and I'm like, there's like a 95% chance that we're gonna hit 283 today, and we did. Oh man, that's my baby. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Haven't sold anything. Update my position, 17K. We're up $6,000, 50%. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. GameStop is running. I'm pretty sure it's gonna keep running up until earnings on Wednesday. I do not think that the vote count is gonna be released on Wednesday, to be completely honest. So there might be some sort of sell off on Wednesday after people realize that there's not gonna be a count released for the votes. I really, 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 really doubt that it's gonna be released, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye.